I was craving a chicken sandwich, so I made these. They turned out super delicious. Let me show you how I made it. Adding some buttermilk to a bowl along with salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, basil, thyme, and Italian seasoning. For this recipe, I'll be using chicken breast, but you're welcome to use thighs. I'm going to cut the chicken breast in half and then cut that in half. So with one chicken breast, you're going to get 4 chicken sandwiches. Dump those into the mixture and making sure that this is all submerged. Cover, and you're going to refrigerate this for at least 30 minutes, or you can do overnight. For the sauce mixture, I'm using mayo, sriracha, minced garlic, some lime juice. Get that all whisked together. Cover and place in the refrigerator just until ready to use. For my flour mixture, I'm using flour, salt, pepper, adding in some garlic powder, paprika, giving this a good whisk. I'll also be adding some of that buttermilk mixture in there so that my chicken sandwiches are nice and crispy. Take your chicken breast out of the refrigerator. You're going to dump it right on that flour mixture. Press down on both sides. Add this to a wire rack. You're going to let these rest on the rack for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Heat up your oil. It should be at 350 degrees. Fry these for 7 minutes per side. You want to keep checking with the thermometer. When it reaches 165 degrees, they're done. Make sure your oil stays at 350 degrees. Once these are nice and brown and crispy, I'm going to remove them and just place them on a wire rack. I did make my own hamburger buns. These are Brioche Burger Buns. These burger buns are the best. I will have that recipe for you guys pinned to the top. I have already made these before. So for any type of sandwich, any type of hamburger, chicken sandwich, I always make my own burger buns. And these ones here are my favorite. It's time to assemble. I just add some sauce, some lettuce, tomato, onion, pop that chicken on there, and I'm using some American sliced cheese. This sandwich was super delicious, you guys. You have to make it. Of course, you can use whatever toppings you want. You could even add some bacon in there, but I decided not to add it this time. These chicken sandwiches were so easy to make. Why go out and buy some when you can definitely make your own at home, and they're gonna taste way better. I wish I could eat 5 of these, but I'm trying not to be a big bag. Anyways, look for my recipe for those burger buns because they go perfect with these chicken sandwiches. Enjoy.